Assalamu alaikum children of class 2. How are you? Today we are going to study unit 2 lesson 2 words and phonics. So exercise number 1 is read these words. The sounds of oo and is the same. So here we are given with same sounds of oo and oo and oo. This double O is O. It's a little bit longer than O. We will describe this sound like and O. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So these are the same but little bit different. So the words with these sounds are good, pull, good, pull. Not good, it's not good, it's good. Good, pull, books, push, took, put, wood, pull, ling. So, and above words there are only two sounds, took. One sound, put. Okay? But in this word pulling, when we put ing, it will be ing, pulling, ing. So here we will read the spelling G-O-O-D, good, P-U-L-L, pull, B-O-O-K-S, books, P-U-S-H, push, W-O-O-D, wood, P-U-L-L-I-N-G, pulling. So what is the difference in this and this? We have put ing at the end of this word, so it will become pulling. So look, pushing, cook, look, cook. These are the same. Now read again. G-O-O-D, good, B-O-O-K-S, books, T-O-O-K, took, W-O-O-D, wood, L-O-O-K, look, C-O-O-K, cook, P-U-L-L, pull, P-U-S-H, push, P-U-T, put, P-U-L-L-I-N-G, pulling, P-U-S-H-I-N-G, pushing. There are two sounds, pushing, P-U-T-T-I-N-G, putting. Let's read this. F-L-Y, fly, I-N-G, flying, flying, flying. R-U-N-N, run, I-N-G, running. R-E-A-D, read, I-N-G, reading, R-E-A-D, read, I-N-G, reading. D-R-A-W, draw, D-R-A-W, draw, I-N-G, drawing. R-I-D, white, I-N-G, riding, R-I-D, ride, I-N-G, riding. Dear children, let's move to the exercise B. Exercise B is saying, look at the picture and use the new words to make sentences about Frodo. So, let's know about Frodo. Who is Frodo? Frodo is a clown. He works in circus and he makes good tricks and interesting tricks to make you very happy, and he make funny tricks and funny actions to make you laugh. Let's discuss his appearance. What do you see like him? Oh, look at his nose. How funny it is. Oh, look at his hair. His color is yellow. Oh my god, look at his shoes. How big they are. Oh, what this girl is doing, this girl? Oh, she is pushing him. He will be fall down. Look at what is he doing. He is carrying so many things. Oh, books in his right hand. In his left hand, wood. Oh, on his head, he is carrying plates. Oh my God, he is also pulling a card with his finger. So children, tell me what more colors he is wearing. What colors he is wearing? Tell me. Oh, I can make a guess before you tell. Oh, I can win from you. You are very slow. So tell me fast. Okay, I'm gonna win. His hands are yellow. He's wearing green shirt. Oh, he's wearing red shorts. Oh, pants. Oh, look at his tie. He is looking like a gentleman. He must be thinking he is a gentleman, but he's so funny. So children, you get to know with Frodo. Now tell me what he is doing. Now we will fill in these blanks. Tell me what he is doing, what he is carrying on his head. Oh, he is carrying plates. So number one sentence is he can put 10 plates on his head. Oh, so look what I have written here. Put. What? Put. Repeat. Put. He can put 10 plates on his head. So tell me what is in his right hand. So here number 2, he can carry 20. What is his right hand? Books. 20 books. He can carry 20 books. So what is this? BOOKS. Books. Repeat with me. Books. Move to the number 3. He can. What he is doing with his finger? Tell me. Pulling a card. So here is in number 3. He can pull a card with one finger. Oh, how interesting is that? He can pull a card with one finger. Move to the number 4. He can carry 5 logs of. What do you see in his left hand? Are there any number of 5? Let's count. What is in his left hand? This number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it's 5. So he can carry 5 logs of. You can see. Is that wood? Yes, is that wood? This is wood. He can carry 5 logs of wood. Wood. So repeat. Wood. Move to the number 5. What is the girl doing? Pushing him. Don't push him or he will fall over. Don't push him or he will fall over. Push. Repeat. Push. Where is the push? Push. Girl is pushing. Pushing. Pull. Push. Put. Put. Books. He can pull. Wood. Don't push. So children, let's move to the exercise C. Write the nouns under the correct picture. So what is noun? Name of anything, person, place, person, place, anything around us is noun. So what are these things? Look at the picture. This is person, woman, boy, girl, man. Tree, house, ball, door. So listen to me carefully. These all are nouns. What are these? Nouns. There are names given in this list. From this list, we have to fill these blanks. We have to fill these empty spaces with this given name. So what are you looking at? What do you see in this picture? Tell me. You see a woman. You see a boy. You see a girl. You see a man. What is this? Tree. What is house? What is this? Ball. What is this? Door. So let's find out these words. Do you see matching like that? Where is door? House. So focus the sound of door. 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 D-double-O-R. Door. Door. Here is the door. You have to write this D-double-O-R in that space. Where is the boy? Here is the boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Can you find that word boy? Here is that word boy. Boy. Woman. Repeat the word woman. Woman. There are two sounds in the word woman. 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 Okay? Just as I told you, you have to write this in this space door, in this space boy, in this space girl. As you find out these names in this list, you have to fill these empty space. It's your homework. Practice at your home with your parents to fill these space. Okay? Fill them correctly and have more practice. Till then, bye bye. Stay healthy, stay safe.